So I'm here looking at a property that's going to go for auction this upcoming month here in Corpus. Now it looks like somebody's living there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go knock on the door and I'm going to see if I can speak to the homeowners and see if the homeowners actually live in the property. Right now they don't have any exemptions on it, so there's not a homestead exemption, so it could be a rental. The guy is not home. He is the owner. He was talking to me through the Ring camera. He says he's totally unaware that this is happening, that they're going to auction off his property. I said, well, are you aware that the county's going to auction it next month? And he's kind of taken back, I guess, and said, no, we have no idea. What are you talking about? I said, well, yeah, that's, your properties and back taxes over 20,000 bucks. It's, going at auction next month. And they're going to sell it to the most successful bidder. And I'm just letting you guys know because this is what I do. I go out and I bid on properties. I buy properties like this. And it's an online auction. That's what the county's doing. And I left my card and I said, hey, look, give me a holler, after you get off work or whatever. And I'll walk you through it. And maybe I'll guide you in the right direction of who you need to go talk to maybe see if you can clear something up. Now, at this point, I already know how the counties work. They've been trying to notify him for a long time. So at least I know I went and made that effort to tell them what is going on, to make them aware, because maybe he really didn't know. Maybe he goes and he pays the taxes off and, he's able to come up with that. I think it's behind like 22,000 or whatever. And he's able to pay that off. And then he saves his house and then I never buy it, or nobody ever buys it, but at least I did that part and made them aware. It makes me feel a little bit better. And we'll see what he does. Hopefully he calls me and then I can guide him in the right direction to go pay his taxes off. This street's named Booty. What the heck? Did y'all see that? That makes me laugh. Booty, literally B-O-O-T-Y. Where you live? I live on Booty Street, dog. Come get that booty. Anyways, so that's what we did. And now I'm gonna go look at another property that I bought in January. I gotta meet some contractors today at one property. I gotta go meet a landscaper at the other property. And really all I'm doing right now is just driving around neighborhoods. I'm always looking, seeing how neighborhoods are progressing here in Corpus. One of the sad things that I don't like about this is when I find old pictures of, I guess, the previous owners and their families. It makes me think, why was nobody here for this person? Why did their home get forgotten?